we got one.
Bit. Yeah, we're bit.
Oh yeah, we're bit.
Is he on?
Yeah, he's on. Oh yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another bass fishing video, fishing for largemouth bass. We are back at the place that I call the Catch. That was the most pristine, untouched waters, cleanest waters in Southern California. So that's a lie. but here we go. Check this place out. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do monthly giveaways, and we have a year-end goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers. If we hit 1,000 subscribers this year, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for 100 people. 100 people are going to win. If we reach our year-end goal of 1,000 subscribers. It's not going to be something big for 100 people, but it's just something to show some appreciation. I'll send you guys a few plastic worms or something like that. Just to show some appreciation for supporting my channel. I don't think anybody else on YouTube is doing that, no matter how big their channel is. But my monthly giveaways are $25 Amazon gift cards. I just did another one. So please hit that subscribe button, hit a like, leave a positive comment. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. So there's an inlet right behind us. That's usually a pretty good spot, so we're gonna go check that out first. So today we're gonna start off with a 4-inch Senko. 4-inch Senko works really well here in some kind of natural color, like a green pumpkin or watermelon. Darker colors work really well here, but I've caught them on white also. And 4-inch, not 5-inch. They bite the 4-inch way better here. See if we get one on the first cast. Oh, wishful thinking. Further down the canal. All right, guys, it's actually really slow over here. I'm gonna talk a little quiet because I don't want the person to hear me. There's another person fishing in another spot where I think there could be fish. It's another good spot. He's already there. I haven't seen him catch anything yet. So we're just gonna work our way slowly over there fishing. Hopefully he leaves and maybe we'll be able to catch some. Oh, we got one. It's a good one. Good one. Hey. Finally. Right, guys, check it out. Hey. So yeah, I've caught a nice little bass here. This is a pretty decent one for this place, the Catch. So yeah, I got him on that 4-inch Senko. So we're gonna do the release. Things are maybe coming alive. All right, buddy. Finally got one. Took a while to get one, but we got one. Hopefully that's a good sign things are picking up. Got another one. Alright, cool. Got another one, little dinky one, but yeah, it looks like things are picking up. Very next cast, the release of the dink. All right, let's go, baby. Oh, we got one. We got one. Dinker again. Number 3, little dinker again. But hey, at least we're catching them. So you guys want to catch some bass here? For those of you who know where it is, 4-inch Senko in a natural color. Works excellent here. All right, buddy. Oh, where you going? There he goes. All right, let's go, baby. All right, let's see if we get some more.
bit.
Oh yeah, we're bit. We're bit.
Come on, baby.
Okay. Coming in through the sticks. Let's go, baby. Number 4. Another little dinker. But man, too much fun, man. Way too much fun. Beats getting skunked, right? Super healthy fish. There's a lot of bait fish around this area. Let's get some more. I'm pumped. Let's go, baby. Here you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. Yeah, let's do that again. All right, I'm gonna try to get some footage on top water. We'll see how it goes. One swiped at it. Oh, dang it. We missed him. Alright, we're going back to the Cinco. Carp rod's going off. Well, we got something. Oh my gosh. And he snagged. This is what bit on the carp rod. Oh man. Got this little bluegill. He actually got snagged in the side right here. But yeah, he bit the corn. I'm gonna throw him back in. Whoop. There he goes. Oh. Let's go, buddy. Alright, let's go. There he goes. Cool. Fish is a fish, I'll take it. We're actually gonna switch spots right now again. Yeah, baby, let's go. I think this is number 4 or 5 for the day. I forget. I'll have to see how much I caught in the video. Unfortunately, I wasn't recording when I caught this one. It's been slow. It's about it's coming up on noon now. It's been pretty slow. And so, but yeah, just want to show you, caught one, pulled it out through the muck right here. So it's a little dirty, mucky. So yeah, let's toss him back. The release. Five or six. Let's release them. All right, the release. That one's a little better. Yeah. Got another one. Another little dinker, but you know, it's a lot of fun, man. Let's go release it. Man, that one hit pretty hard too. So let's do the release. Yeah, caught him off that tree right there in the water, where it should be. So that was a pretty good day fishing. I'm gonna end the video here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the videos, comment on the videos. Reminder again, if we hit 1,000 subscribers for this year, then I'm gonna do a giveaway for 100 people. So I'm pretty tired, but that was a good day fishing. So, you know, I mean, can't argue with that, man. Mostly smaller fish, but we caught one decent one. Especially for this place, it was a decent one. But anyways, Once again, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Support me. Support my channel. I give back to my subscribers. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Oh, we got one. Good one.